So over here, you can see that I have this video clip right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to, let's say, give this video a little perspective right here. So to do that, you can use something called the corner pin. And to do that, you need to open up your filter. So I'm just going to go around over here onto filters from my view menu. And I'm going to press the plus button while the clip is selected. So I'm going to go around over here and type in corner right here, and corner pin is here, as you can see. Once that is enabled, you can go around, utilize this option right here, or you can just go around, click and drag around the corner pins right here, and then place it according to how you want, and you got the perspective look that you want. You can see that this is what you have right here. You can go around right here, and you can see that now the video is in a perspective. If you were to play this, you can see that the video plays out and the corner pin is there. So you can see that there's interpolation right there. You can make it sharp and then go around with, let's say, for example, different options right here. You can go around and feather out things right here, as you can see, and work around with all of these options right here. So let me just go around onto, let's say, y-axis right here. You can go around right here, place this in right here. You can go for corner pin part right here. By using these options right here and work around with it. And that is how you can work around with the corner pin option inside of Shotcut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.